I'm Lisa Altick with Cascade Hassan Sotheby's International Realty. I would love for you to join me today as I tour through this beautiful villa located at Pronghorn Club at Juniper Preserve in Bend, Oregon. 65652 Swallow's Nest Lane is a 4-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom townhome in the community known as the Villas in this luxury Central Oregon resort. At over 3,450 square feet, this villa was designed with exquisite care using fine finishes and obvious attention to detail throughout. This 2-story Tuscan-inspired villa features 2 ensuite bedrooms on the main level, in addition to the kitchen, great room, dining room, powder bath, and laundry room. Up the rustic hickory-floored and custom iron-railed stairway is a light-filled landing that leads to the 3rd ensuite and master bedrooms. All ensuite bathrooms feature radiant floor heat and solid surface stone countertops. The spacious chef's kitchen boasts granite countertops, Wolf oven and range, and custom wood-paneled refrigerator and dishwasher. Enjoy coffee and dining in the kitchen nook while taking in the views and access to the private back patio. A built-in barbecue, fire pit, and custom water feature create a special space in this secluded and quiet backyard setting. Enjoy the privacy and tranquility of the mature landscaping surrounding this townhome and the numerous spaces for dining, lounging, and enjoying the outdoors. The great room features the custom-built floor-to-ceiling wet bar with granite countertops, wine storage, and zoned refrigerator, in addition to the stone-wrapped fireplace, all highlighted by the abundance of natural light streaming in from the surrounding windows. Both the master bedroom and the 3rd ensuite bedroom have access to the upstairs terrace, which boasts views across the 13th and 18th holes of the Jack Nicklaus signature course and off to the Powell Buttes, east of Bend. With peekaboo Cascade mountain views as well, you'll never tire of the surrounding natural beauty of Central Oregon. The villas at Pronghorn are nestled in east of the par 3 Nicklaus 17th hole and west of the 18th fairway. The architecture of the villas is enhanced by elegant stone, stucco, and timber, and enriched by dramatic roof forms, dormers, and terraces. Generous porches, trellised walkways, and gated entries allow owners to embrace the temperate climate of the high desert and the indoor-outdoor lifestyle of the community. Known across the country as one of the best golf resort communities in the Pacific Northwest, you'll know why the instant you arrive on property at Juniper Preserve. Allow the grand 55,000 square foot clubhouse to welcome you to this premier resort community with 2 world-class golf courses, both boasting international accolades, and all the amenities of Pronghorn Club and Juniper Preserve. Enjoy 3 swimming pools, a tennis court, spa, numerous dining outlets, and the Huntington Lodge, a 104-room boutique hotel located just off the 18th green of the Tom Fazio Championship course. Whether you're looking for a primary residence or a lock-and-leave second home, this beautifully appointed villa is the perfect spot for your next home adventure. I'm Lisa Altick with Cascade Hassan Sotheby's International Realty. Thank you for joining me on this tour through this lovely villa today. Please reach out with any questions.